Good morning. Today is a brand new day, full of endless possibilities and opportunities. Take a deep breath in and exhale all your worries and doubts. This is your time to reset, recharge, and start the day with a positive mindset. At the start of the day, you may feel anxious for what's coming. Maybe there is something waiting on your mind. Or maybe you are feeling overwhelmed by the tasks that lies ahead. It's completely normal to feel this way. But remember that you are in control of your thoughts and emotions. Take a moment to check in with yourself. How are you feeling right now? You may be feeling worried or anxious. Or perhaps your energy levels are not where you want them to be. And that's okay. Whatever is troubling you, acknowledge these feelings without judgment. Recognize their presence within you. But then shift your focus away from them. You have the ability to change your mindset and turn your day around. Now, I invite you to smile. Make a big smile and direct it inward, toward yourself. This smile is for you. You are worthy of your own love. You are more than enough. You deserve all good that life has in store for you. And you deserve to begin your day with a clear and focused mind. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I'm capable of handling whatever comes my way today. I trust in my abilities. I'm ready to embrace this day with open arms and an open heart. Visualize yourself moving through your day with ease and without fear. See yourself accomplishing your tasks with confidence and efficiency. Feel the joy and satisfaction that comes from a successful day. And know that you are fully capable of making that a reality. Remember that challenges are just opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace them with an open mind and a positive attitude. Trust that everything is happening for you to learn and grow. You are strong. You are resilient. And you are ready to conquer this day. Believe in yourself. Trust in the process. And know that you are exactly where you are meant to be. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and bring your awareness back to the present moment. Carry this sense of confidence and happiness with you throughout your day, knowing that you are capable of facing whatever comes your way. Have a beautiful day.